guys, good morning. So today we're going to be working on a few things. It's a Tuesday. Galaxycon is literally in 2 days, so I'm having a lot of prep for that right now. But yeah, so today I'm going to work on 02 stuff because I really need to get the stuff done. If I don't, then we're not going to have it for Saturday, and that's the biggest thing for me. So I'm working on that today, and then a few more other costumes. I have to do a punk lettuce. I believe me and MJ decided to do a punk Mew Mew group, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, I'm about to turn on Netflix and put on like Vampire Diaries because that's like one of my favorite series, and I know like mainly everything, so I just put it on and let it run and keep going for however long. But yeah, so this is my look for today. I'm sporting like my high school shorts and this random like top. It was a little bit too big, so I just tightened it so I can move around easier. And this is like my room. I feel like you guys have already seen my room. It's a mess right now, kind of, but yeah. Prepping for conventions, it's really hard. I have a lot of stuff to put away, take out, and it just kind of explodes in my room. But I try to keep all my armor together so it doesn't get damaged. But I don't have enough mannequins at the moment for that. But it's okay because we'll get to it. But yeah, and I love this mirror. Like, I've been so in love with it. It's good that now that I can actually look whenever I put my costumes on rather than having to run downstairs and look in the mirror and then come back up, redo what I need, run back downstairs. So now I can just like hop up and just stand right there. But yeah, yeah. Ooh, this vlogging thing's interesting. What is... Ooh, I forgot to take that off. Morning, guys. Okay, so it is literally Wednesday, the day before con, and I'm still con crunching really hard. Girl didn't finish everything she wanted to. I had a couple of difficulties last night, so we're gonna try to see if I can get it all done today. But yeah, let's do this. 02's wig is supposed to get here later today. I literally overnighted it through Amazon Prime, and hopefully it gets here at the same time. I'm still working on 02's armor, which is, whew, it's killing me. It really is. So I'm going to try to get that done. But yeah, we're waiting on the wig so I can try that on and see how it looks. And hopefully it looks good, because if it doesn't, it's a big no. Yeah, but tomorrow I do volunteering. I'll do it from 11 to 9. It's gonna be a full day just volunteering, which I actually enjoy volunteering, so that's fine. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I'm free, so I'm gonna be just hanging out at the con and trying to see what outfits I'm gonna wear, because I also have to wash my wigs today, and I didn't plan any of this. I meant to wash them yesterday and I just didn't. So whew, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'll update you guys. I'll try to update you because it's literally the day before and I want you guys to see like everything that's happening. So yeah, we'll try to do that, hopefully. I know I'm gonna see if they'll let me bring my camera tomorrow with me while I'm volunteering, so we'll kind of see if that works out. If it doesn't, then we'll figure it out, because I do want to vlog the volunteering process like afterwards, rather than just like, you know, saying, hey, Friday at con. But if they let me whip out my camera tomorrow, then I will. So I'll see you guys in a bit, and bye. So I finished 02 suit. Let me show you guys how it looks, because it looks good. It's Zoom. See? It looks really cute. What is this in front of the lens? Okay, okay. Yeah, but this is how the suit looks. It came out really good. I'm actually really happy because I was about to cry and stuff if it didn't work out. But it does work out and it feels good. I feel good. Everything feels good. So but yeah, I didn't extend this part back here because it's going to be covered with a belt anyways, so I just made sure it went to the side. And I didn't do any shading right here, but it already looks like it's shaded. So yeah, probably because it's underneath my arms and stuff, but it looks really good, guys. I'm so happy. I thought I was gonna have to give up on this one for a little bit, but everything's even, everything fits good. I'm so happy. But I'm waiting on my wig now so I can actually like do like a look. I also have to do her headpiece and her belt piece because I think, and her, see if I can finish her neck piece. If I can't finish her neck piece, then I won't wear the neck piece, but hopefully I can. But it is gonna be hot, so I gotta see too. But yeah, this is how it looks, and I'm so happy. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'm gonna go now because it's time for me to continue working. I'm just so happy this is done. It was so much work. I mean, I love sewing and I love building armor. But this was just oof. Just gonna lay here for a while. Hey guys, so as you know, I just finished 02 suit and wow, I'm really happy. I made her gold band. This is the one that kind of goes around her arm, and this is from actually the fabric that I used for my KDA, which you guys haven't officially seen yet. But I got it for KDA for her jacket, and this is from the Yaya Han line, so this is her gold right here. And then just to go over the fabric that I used for 02, I got all of this for Hobby Lobby on 30% off fabric. So literally this fabric cost me only, in total, because I was broke at that time, it cost me $27 just to make the suit alone. So yeah, there's a big difference from what you can make, but it cost me $27 just to make this suit. The only thing I'm worried about is the boot covers because I don't have fabric for the boot covers, or I did, but then I used it on the bathing suit. And excuse me. Yeah. Yee! I'm just waiting for my wig to get here because I want to try it all on together. I haven't made her head thingies yet. I'm about to in just a second, but yeah, it looks good. And I'm really happy. Like, I want to cry because it actually looks really good and I'm actually really proud. And I'm tired. I'm very tired. I worked really hard on this. Wow, I just want the wig to get here now. I'll update you guys when I get the wig. If it gets here soon. It's supposed to get here today. I Amazon Prime that stuff last night. I was just like, nope. We're just gonna Amazon Prime it. It'll get here tomorrow. And it was guaranteed today. And it's supposed to be out for delivery. But it's been out for delivery for like 4 or 5 hours. It's really funny because like anytime you're waiting for a package, it takes forever. Like they'll deliver it to you at night. And you're just like, there's nothing you can do because you said as long as they get it in that day. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Roll, roll, fight the power.